Error message, ChromeDriver executable needs to be available in the path. I am using Selenium with Python and have downloaded the ChromeDriver for my Windows computer from this site, this URL. After downloading the zip file, I unpacked the zip file to my downloads folder. Then I put the path to the executable binary, c:\users\michael_downloads/ChromeDriver_win32, into the environment variable, path. However, when I run the following code, I keep getting the following error message. But, as explained above, the executable is, in the path. What is going on here?
You can test if it actually is in the path, if you open a CMD and type in ChromeDriver, assuming your ChromeDriver executable is still named like this, and hit enter. If starting ChromeDriver 2.15.3224448 is appearing, the path is set appropriately and there is something else going wrong. Alternatively, you can use a direct path to the ChromeDriver like this. So in your specific case,
Same situation with PyCharm Community Edition. So, as for CMD, you must restart your IDE in order to reload path variables. Restart your IDE and it should be fine.
I see the discussion still talk about the old way of setting up ChromeDriver by downloading the binary and configuring the path manually. This can be done automatically using WebDriver Manager. Now the above code in the question will work simply with below change. The same can be used to set Firefox, Edge, and IE binaries.
On Ubuntu. On Debian. On macOS, install Homebrew then do.
He wants to reconsider he as a spy.